Hey guys, so I'm back. I just was starting to do a video and I've got so much stuff on my phone that I didn't realize I didn't have enough space. So I started it. I opened one thing and I'll show you what that is. And I've got to do this within 10 minutes. So let's get started. This is Boxycharm for February 2021. It is a $25 monthly subscription and you get 5 full-size products. You always get way more than what you pay for. It's just a great deal. So we'll jump into it. First thing I want to do real quick is talk about last month's box. I just joined, last month was my first month. And we're going to talk about the best and the worst out of my box. So if you want to see everything I've got in my box, I posted a video already, so you can go back and check that out. And anyway, so the best thing that I got, my most favorite thing was this. This is the lip mask from Apple Plus Balm. And it is just amazing. Like, I wear this every single day, all day long. It's my favorite. I've already used over half. And it was a Boxycharm exclusive. So they only made this for Boxycharm. And you can't buy it. And I wish I could, because I would already have bought some more because I love it so much. Okay, the thing I did not like was the thing that they made a big deal about. It was $90. So you got this in your box. If maybe, I don't know if everybody gets different stuff, I think. So we have the Avant micellar water. It is to clean your makeup off with. It says, tells you how to do it and everything. Cotton pad, take the solution, blah, blah, blah. So it seems like you have to use a lot of this to get your makeup off, which I wear my makeup kind of heavy, like on my eyes and stuff, but it does smell really good, and it does make your skin feel okay. But as far as getting your makeup off, like, I just do not like this at all. So I definitely would not want to see this again. I did not like it. So yeah. Okay. So into the new box, I did show it before, but like I said, I had to redo it. So we have the Boxycharm box for February. Little peek, which I opened some of it, but I haven't took out the rest. The first thing I opened was the Glamour Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. It came in a little pink bag, the buttons up. And I was so surprised when I opened them up because they are so cute. And they are eye brushes. And they do have the name on the tip. Little nice, like, rosy pink. And this is my favorite. They have little hearts, you guys. Isn't that cute? So, super, super cute. Super soft, and I just absolutely love these. I think they're so cute. And they valued at $29.95. So I already feel like, you know, I got my money's worth. I paid $25 for the box. These were worth $30. I don't think I would personally have spent $30. So that's why I'm kind of glad that I got this, because I couldn't see myself making, you know, spending $30 on brushes. That's just me. I love makeup and stuff, but I've just, you know, I've got a bunch of brushes, but I couldn't spend $30 on 4. I just wouldn't. That's just me. Okay. So anyway, and I know they're expensive too. I mean, I've seen them worth $30, $40 for one brush, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So the next thing we're going to take out is this. This is the EVO, I guess is how you say it, Beauty Perfect Primer. And that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it very good. I got to get so much better lighting. This was valued at $23, and it's a moisturizing primer with a matte finish that would create a smooth base for your foundation and last all day. So, it's sealed, so we have to open it up. I just want to smell it and see what it smells like. Let's try a little. Looks like lotion. They really don't smell like anything, just so you know. So, it feels good on your skin, though. I like it. So, yeah, I'm excited to use that because I need a primer anyway. So, that's cool. All right, the next thing we're going to pull out is this. This is the Trestique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara plus Eye Pencil. And this is valued at $44. And let's open this up. That's what the box looks like. All right, and there is a pencil in here too. So let's start with the pencil. At first I thought it was already open, but this is just a cap. It pops off. That's what that looks like. We do it like this, you can see it. And we'll go. This is in the color, I think, let's see. It might not even tell you the color. No. So I don't know. But anyway, I like this. I always love eyeliner. So, and then this mascara looks big. Check that out. It has a little curler. Flip down. Oh yeah, look. A little curler on the end. And you just flip it down to curl. That's cool. Pop that back on. And let's unscrew it to see mascara. You can see what kind of brush that is. Very nice. I'm excited to use this. I always love mascara and eyeliners. Okay, so let's get into it. We only got a few minutes left. The last, or the not the last, but second to last thing is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. It's a little box. This is valued at, let's see, here it is, $32. And let's see. It says the scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. And that's what it looks like. The size of it, if you can see. Let's see what this one smells like. I gotta hurry up so I can show you the last thing. Ooh. I don't know if you can see that. It's got like little black beads. Oh, it's so thick. It smells really good. It's super, super sticky and thick. Okay, so we'll try that out and see. And the very last thing we have, you guys, is the Ace Beauty Nostalgia Palette. So that's what the box looks like. Let's pop it out of the box. This was valued at $38.99. This was my choice. I remember picking this. Let's check it out. We have a mirror. Look at them colors, you guys. So pretty. I was so excited about this. Let's swatch a couple and then I got to go. Okay. We'll do Theme Park, which is the green. We'll do Water Slide, this yellow. We'll do Heat. It's like a sparkly shimmer. Picnic, which is pink. And let's do Vacation, which is orange. And Flip Flop. Check those out, you guys. I kind of did it all stupid. Let's see. This is the better way, I guess. Lighting is like means everything when you're showing makeup. But anyway, super, super pretty. I'm super excited. I'm so happy that I got my box this month. I love everything. I'm going to try it out and I will let you know my best and my worst pick next month when I get my new Boxycharm box. So I hope you guys have a great day. Happy Valentine's Day. And you can subscribe, follow, whatever. And watch my other videos. And I will let you go. I gotta go do stuff. Bye.